Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to week 2 of HHH Summer Camp. Today we're going to be making cookie balls and pizza in a cup. So what is the first thing we need to do before handling food? Wash our hands. I'm assuming you've done that. So let's get started. Our theme, of course, this week is having a ball. So let's have a ball while we cook. These are your ingredients. You're going to need flour, peanut butter, vanilla, cocoa, oats, butter, and powdered sugar. Your ingredients will be pre-measured for you, so this is easy, but you will have the recipe, so if you want to make these on your own, you can do it. The first thing we need to do is take 1/2 cup of rolled oats, and we're going to put it in a bowl. You'll need a bowl and a fork, so let's just dump that in. Then we have some regular white sugar, and that's a 1/4 cup. We'll throw that in. And then 3/4 tablespoons of cocoa. And we'll put that in. Maybe scrape my bowl a little bit here. Let me make sure I get all that good chocolate. And then we're going to add our peanut butter. This is 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. And we have 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And then our vanilla. And that's 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to mix these all up with our fork. We're just going to stir it up. And it takes a while. So just be patient. You just have to mix it all up. And it'll be nice and gooey. If you're impatient like me, and you've already washed your hands, you can use your fingers, which I kind of like best. So let me just put my fingers in here and just knead the dough here. That's what they call this, kneading the dough. And you're gonna want it to stick together and make like one great big ball, or at least stick together where you can make several balls. Okay, let's see how this works. If your dough doesn't want to stick together, you can always add just a little bit more peanut butter. I think this is going to roll into a nice little ball. And then what we're going to do is just drop it into our powdered sugar. You can make any size balls you want, really. I'm making them a little smaller, but if you like, we can even make a large ball. Let's do that. So however you like to do, however many you want to make. So see, I can make a large ball too. Then we've almost got it. All right. Now we're going to just roll these in the powdered sugar. And it gets a little messy, but that's okay. It cleans up easy. All right, so now we have our no-bake cookie balls. Now we're ready to make pizza in a mug, and is this good? I have a ball going to pizza parties and eating pizza. So your ingredients have all been pre-measured. In your flour and dry ingredients, we have 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/8 teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/8 teaspoon garlic powder, and that's all there. You don't have to mix it. You just throw it in your mug here. And you have your microwave mug that you were given. Otherwise, use any microwave mug at home that you have. All right, next from our recipe, it says add 1 tablespoon of oil. They say extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any oil. And 3 tablespoons of water. And that's all pre-mixed for you. You just dump that in. And then we're just going to stir it with our spoon. It's going to get kind of doughy. Now this is a pepperoni pizza. If you don't like pepperoni, don't put it on. All right. Next, we'll put in our pizza sauce. And that just goes right on top. Maybe spread it around a little bit if it's mine kind of all clumped together. All right, then we're going to either one. I like to sprinkle the pepperoni on first and then the cheese, but our instruction says sprinkle the cheese on top and the pepperoni. So it's totally up to you what you want to do. Just sprinkle your cheese all around your cup. And then we'll just throw in our pepperoni. All right, we're ready for the microwave. Okay, now we're ready to put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Don't forget to let this cool before you even try to eat it, because it is going to be very hot. All right, let's see what it looks like. Make sure your cup's not too hot. And oh, yum, look at this. A pepperoni pizza. I can't wait. We'll let it cool and then take a bite. Our pizza turned out great. I'll see you next week. Have a good one, and you take care and be safe. Bye. Mmm.